The Waterfall is a great addition to your half-moon pond. First, make sure you have all the parts you need by checking the in-pond instruction manual. Screw the ball joint onto the pump outlet. Then fit the half-inch hose tail. Now screw a half-inch hose tail to the control valve and diverter. And the half-inch control valve hose attachment to the other end. To look like this. With the Waterfall fitted to the side of the pond, measure to length, then cut the hose that is attached to the Waterfall, keeping your scissors away from the liner bag to prevent the risk of damage. The control valve should sit just below the surface of the water so you can control the flow or completely divert the flow into the pond. Push fit the control valve section onto the Waterfall hose with the diverter outlet pointing downwards. Now measure the loose piece of hose. This connects the hose attachment on the control valve to the hose tail on the pump outlet. Take care not to cut this too short. The in-pond unit should sit flat on the base of your pond and there should be no pull on the Waterfall. Simply turn the control valve up or down to adjust the flow for your preferred effect.